Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this crypto platform, which is Fidelity. So let's quickly dive into it. I will decide if this can be a best crypto platform for your trades. So talking about Fidelity Crypto makes it easy for beginners to buy and hold Bitcoin and Ethereum directly through their existing Fidelity account. It's simple, secure, and fully integrated with traditional investment, which makes it great for users who want to dip into crypto without leaving a trusted platform. The clean interface and transparent pricing are definite pluses. However, the platform feels limited for active crypto traders, active crypto users. It only supports a few coins, lack staking, and also the wallet transfer. It isn't available in all states. So in conclusion, Fidelity Crypto is perfect for long-time investors who value simplicity and safety, but not ideal for those seeking more freedom and futures. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.